number 200, effective until midnight Monday, or 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Livingston, McLean, Will and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, and Newton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding communities. For tonight, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s.
Yeah, I was not expecting that.
10 to 15 miles per hour.
I didn't see it said Lee. That's why. These storms are just toying with me, I swear. Come on, go north.